Hey my beauties, hey my bees, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Here on my channel, I like to think of the women that follow me as beauties and the men that follow me as beasts. So if you want to be a part of the beauty gang, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. It's free, support your girl, it's that simple. But today is Thursday, the 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. As y'all can see, I have Valentine's Day decor. If y'all haven't already, check out that vlog. It's very cheap, very affordable Valentine's Day ideas. I did it early because this is my weekend to work, so I won't be able to be home with my girls and celebrate Valentine's Day with them. So I did it last weekend when I was off. So everything turned out beautiful, lovely. So I'm gonna put that in the description box below so you guys can check out that video. But anyways, today is gonna be a cleaning vlog because my house is a mess, okay? So it's a difference between a mess and filth. Some people are just filthy, like, you know, like hoarders, like have plates in their room, old food that's been there for months, never wash their sheets, never wash their clothes. I even watched a cleaning vlog with this girl have a baby. If y'all don't know, for those who knew, I have a 2-year-old, and well, she'll be 2 Tuesday next week. It's her birthday. And I have a 17-year-old, so yeah, I know a big age gap. But anyways, she had, I swear, like 50 diapers under her baby's bed. Like, who the collects dirty baby diapers? Yeah, my house is dirty, but it's not filthy. Or I wouldn't even say dirty, I would say messy. So I got like a few dishes I need to clean up. And y'all can see they just totally disrespected my Valentine's Day decor. Layla got her Cheerios here. Babe had a drink yesterday from American Deli. The bees over here, like a Stanley cup. Like, y'all just totally disrespected my decor right here. But I'm gonna keep that up until Valentine's Day, which is tomorrow. Or probably Saturday morning when I get off work. I'll just come take it down. Anybody have a shadow? Y'all wanna see a shadow? That's my shadow. So yeah, being a mom is already hard enough. Working, if you're married, the husband, if you have multiple kids, okay? So everything not gonna be perfect all the time. I get that. So that's why I'm here to help you guys, show y'all what I do in my routine to clean. And it's very hard to clean with a shadow following you behind. As soon as you clean something, she messes something up. But this is just my tactics and what I do on how I try to be productive in cleaning. So if you guys want to watch, continue to watch. And this is going to be a silent cleaning vlog. I did one months back and it did pretty good. It got 1.1K views. So thank y'all so much for supporting your girl. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm not going to be doing much talking. Just going to put music over my video and just vlog of me cleaning. So if you guys want to watch, continue to watch this video. And remember, silent cleaning vlog. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. And remember this word for the day: chase a bag. You chase a bag, you'll never be in people's business, and you'll never be chasing that man. Okay, let's go clean.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running, Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways. stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like the top down. Oh, let's put some more away, live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Got to find out to season. Oh, let's take a ride through the same like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. all night. Say it, I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I want
saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah.